Hello, this is solving equations, variables on both sides, example 1. Example 1 is this equation, and by variables on both sides, it means that variables are on both sides. There's negative 8x and positive 4x on both sides, so both sides of the equation have a term with variables. We've already solved equations like this, and in this equation it has a number on both sides of the equation, and to take care of that we minus 3 to both sides. Well, when the variables are on both sides of the equation, we have to do the opposite on one side to get the variables to the other side. And how you like to do this is up to you. The book adds 8x to both sides to bring the variables to the right side of the equation. It's just for variety, and because I like the variables on the left side of the equation, I'm going to do a minus 4x to both sides. Part of the problem with algebra, I guess, is that there's not only one way to do things. You have to figure out your own style and your own form and how you like to do it. And continuing with this, I get 7 minus 12x equals negative 17. Now, if you don't like the way this looks because it doesn't look very familiar, you can switch them. This can be negative 12x plus 7 equals negative 17. And I do that because now it looks very similar, much more similar to things that we've already done. You've got an x, the number, and then a number on the other side. So now I will subtract 7 to both sides, and I get negative 12x equals, let's see, a negative and that's positive, so that's equals negative 24. So now I divide both sides by negative 12 to get x equals positive 2.